moisture sample. Then I'm gone.
Here is an urgent message for the following county: Sacramento, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for a levee failure in Tyler Island in south central Sacramento County in central California until 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday at 11:29 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Sacramento County Dispatch has reported an imminent failure of a levee on Tyler Island on the North Fork of the Montgomery River. Sacramento County has called for the evacuation of Tyler Island. If the levee were to break, Tyler Island would flood first. However, the East Walnut Grove area could be impacted at a later time. Residents are urged to follow emergency instructions from local county authorities.